Great news! HCL has published the Beta 1 version of Notes in Domino 12.0.1. So if you have access to FlexNet, you should be able to download the beta version and try it out. Of course, it's always a challenge to get in there and do the downloads, so I'm going to make a little quick video here to show you and to remind myself of how to get there. First, go to the hclsoftware.flexnetoperations.com and log in, and then from there you're going to get this page like what I have right here. Yours might look a little different. Click on the list entitlements, and now the easiest way to get to what we're looking for is if you type in collaboration and you search on the product and then hit search. It will bring up several choices, and I found the easiest one to bring up is to come into the HCL bundle mail and social collab. I'm clicking on download over here on the right, and now it gets a list of all of the things that you would download. And the very first one right at the top, Notes Domino 12.0.1 Beta 1. I click on that. So it was posted August 24th. And now you have more to look through. Find the one you want. In my case, I'm going to grab Domino Server for Windows. Click on the link and we'll save. Same thing for Notes. We want the Designer and Admin Client beta, so I'll grab that. Save. That's it. That's where you go to get the downloads. While you're at it, be sure to go to HCL's blog. That is at blog.hcltechsw.com/domino, and check out the article that they just published yesterday. And in this it shows some of the features that you can expect to find, as well as down at the very bottom you have the link to the forum. And you'll need to register for that, but the idea is that you can go there and see what other people are encountering, any questions. You can post if you see any problems, and that way it gets fixed before they publish the final release. So get in there, check it out.